This is my third time ordering these succulents because they are such a good deal, super affordable, but then also turn out beautiful. So what I'm doing with them is having my students paint a little flower pot and then they get to put a little succulent in it. They come in different variety packs. So like you can see there's a couple of this type, a couple of these ones. So my students love being able to pick out the colors or the different options, I guess, but there's like purpley, light green, reddish, and they think it's so fun to get to pick their own. They come super nicely packaged, which is great because that way it's not going to get damaged when it's getting shipped. And it comes with all of this on top, and then obviously in like the individual little pots already. So super cute idea. Comes with 20 of them, or the one that I have is 20, and all of the succulents are actually like super good quality, in good shape, alive and well. So love it. And it ends up being like $1 or so a succulent, so it's a great gift idea for people as well, but love them.